Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Parametrics. We are going back to the line, and as you can see here, already have a set curve. So today we are going to look first off into how to extend the curve. You can just go in here, write in extend curve like this, and as you can see here, we have at least four types of inputs. The first one, the C, simply stands for the curve itself. The second one is the type of extension we want to make. So as we can read here, we have 0 for line, 1 for arc, and 2 for smooth. So to do this, we can simply write in 2 to set up a slider. We can go inside the slider and change its maximum value to 2. Now, as we connect it in, like this, now we can adjust to which kind of type we want. Now if we write in another slider, we can then add this one to these two parameters, which means specifically the length of each end of our curve. So I'm just going to put this here, and as we can see here, our curve has already extended, and we can adjust this value like so. And if we want to change the type of curve we have or line, we can simply go like this or just like this to keep it straight. I'm just going to copy and paste this again, do the same thing with the other side, and as you can see here, we can now extend and transform both of them like so. Okay, now the second thing I want to show you is how to make a perpendicular plane. So if I can just go in here and write in perp frame like this, we have the same C parameter. You're going to notice that we're going to see this a lot more along these tutorials. And if we connect our curve here, you can see that nothing has changed. It's still missing parameters. So we can pick up this slider here. We can connect it there. And now, as you can see, our perpendicular frame is now moving. Of course, you notice that it's only moving up to a certain length. Just going to hide this. So how do we change this? Well, in reality, if we can just right-click here and click reparameterize, it's gonna give us a negative value because it can only work in decimal numbers. So to do this, we can just go in here, we go to rational, change the max value to 1, like so, and now we can easily move our perpendicular frame along the entire line, since it's acting almost like a sort of percentage system, like that. Okay, and now the final part I want to show you is how to set up a tangent. I'm quite sure I'm pronouncing that right. Essentially how to place a point at, well, any point, any length inside the curve. And to do this, we just connect it here. We follow the same procedure as the perpendicular plane. We reparameterize it, not sure if I'm pronouncing that one right. We can copy this value down, connect it, and now we can simply move a point along the entire curve. We can do the same thing without using the reparameterize command here. The thing is, it will only move along 1 meter within this curve. Okay guys, hope you liked this tutorial. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you here next time.